Welcome to another Healthy Indoors Minute. People often ask, what is the best way, what best products that I can buy to make sure that my family is healthy? I've got a daughter's room or a baby's room that feels like maybe it's giving her allergies or messing with her asthma. And a few months ago, I showed you a really quick and easy, super cheap way to do that with one box fan and one filter. That was based on something that Joe Medosh at Hayward Score introduced to us. That's a good quick fix. And since then, someone has taken this to the next level. So this is called a Comparetto. It's a rig that you build yourself. This is less than $90. I paid about 80 bucks. The filters here are 1 inch thick, 20 inch by 20 inch. So they're squares, and you buy 4 of them, and then you build a box, a 4-sided box. Nothing on the bottom, on the top of which you sit a box fan. It does not matter which box fan you buy, as long as it's the same size as most box fans come, which is 20 by 20. So now we have a 5-sided box with an open bottom, and you sit the open bottom on its butt on the floor. And then, because air is blowing up this way from the box fan as soon as you plug it in, air gets drawn in from all 4 sides through these filters. And these are MERV 12 filters. This is where the money comes in. So this is a $20 box fan. The filters are each about 15 bucks. MERV 13 would be probably the best filter that you're gonna wanna use to just filter out a lot of the particulates that we're talking about without going to a HEPA rated system, which will be more like hospital grade. So if you want your air to be super, super clean, that's HEPA. If you wanna filter out things like what we're doing here, drywall dust, or in an attic, you don't want to be breathing insulation fibers, things like that. This is going to do a great job of that. And what's great about this is because it's sitting on the floor, it's drawing in particulate from all 4 sides near the floor where it's going to be hanging out most of the time anyway. Particles are as big as like boulder-sized particles are going to fall to the ground within a few minutes. Smaller ones might hang out, but they're going to slowly drift down. And so if you have something close to the ground where when people walk by, a little bit of dust gets kicked up into the air, boom, gets right in here. And then because there are so many filters, we're not introducing a lot of back pressure or what's called static pressure on the fan. So this fan can work at its full strength, full airflow, because it has almost no resistance since we've got so much filter area around it. This is something that you can do in a furnace or an air conditioner system as well, called upsizing the filter. You can have a bigger and bigger filter box. You could turn the filter on a diagonal so that there's lots and lots of surface area to go through. So this is actually a pretty ideal air cleaning system. I would recommend this rig that you can build yourself. Does not matter what kind of tape you use, duct tape is fine. Doesn't matter what brand of filter you use, doesn't matter what brand of box fan you use. This is one of the rare instances in the science of homes and trying to control it, where you could pretty much use whatever you want, brand-wise, and it will do a pretty good job. Way better than not having anything at all. And also much better than just having the single box fan with the single filter on it. So please do check this out. If you want to be controlling particles, which are always bad to breathe, then you can check out the Home Chem playlist if you want to learn more about that. If you want an even deeper dive into all of the stuff about the science of homes on the physics, chemistry, and microbiology side, you can go take our crash course at homediagnosis.tv. Subscribe to Healthy Indoors magazine to learn a lot more about how to tune all this stuff for your family and your clients. Tune in next time.